part 2 of loops in PHP 7. So next for our loop, we are gonna learn about for each now. For each loop. The for each loop provides an easy way to loop through arrays. That's all. I'll show you guys a nice way. So assume you guys have a variable v equals array 1, 2, 3, right? And by using a for each loop, simply type for each variable v as variable x. Open your curly brackets, close your curly brackets, and you want to print out these three numbers 1, 2, 3. So you say echo x. So let's go back to our browser, reload. You get 1, 2, 3. This is the way you do for each. Alright. Next, we got a and while, and for, and for each keywords. For example, for our while loop, we got variable I, let's say, is less than 10. We use the colon that we have used in our conditional statements and print out echo I++. And then when you are done with your while loop, you say and while. That's it. The loop of the while loop has been finished. Next, for our for loop, we got for. Let's do the same. I equals 0. Variable I is less than 10. I++. And then you use your colon and you print out echo I. And you say and for. Let's end our for loop. That's how you end it. That's the two keyboards of the alternative syntax. And for our for each, we got variable I as variable v echo v and for each. That's how you end the for each. See, here goes. Alright, so that's. I hope that you guys understand the alternative syntax. So next we are going to talk about break. Break is a special. I think we have done it in our conditional statement when we talk about our switch statement. But now, if you guys want to view, I'll put the link down in the description to view my switch statement, my conditional statement video. So there are two special keyboards that can be used inside a loop break. Inside a loop, which is break and continue. So the break keyboard ends the execution of a loop block or structure. For example, you do 4 semicolons break it, and this will, what this will do is end and for it. It will end the for. Next, for our second keyboard that you can use inside a loop is continue. The continue keyboard can be used within any looping statement to skip the rest of the current loop and continue from the beginning of the next block of code, next looping or iteration. Okay, let's comment this. For example, you got a while loop. You say I x plus plus less than 10. Continue. Ah, come on. Continue. This, when you say continue, this will start the next looping. Whatever you have it here after this, will start that when you say continue. And last but not least, we have our goto. It's a different kind of statement that was introduced in PHP 5.3, but we still have it in our PHP 7. So a goto is a third jump statement, you can say, that was introduced in PHP 5.3. It performs a jump to a specified label, and a label is a name followed by a colon. For example, we got go to my label. This, when you say go to my label, this means it will jump to the label. And then when you say my label and a colon, this will declare the label. So we can say declare the label. And go to my label will jump to the label. Pretty much that's it, y'all. I hope you guys understand this looping, all these loops, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this PHP 7 tutorials. If you guys have any suggestion or any problems, or just leave me a comment below or just shoot me a message. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on to the next video.